Tether Gold may experience a mild 0.6% retreat by May 8, CoinCodex shows. First up, here's how things are currently moving on the chart. As we record this, Tether Gold is showing a 1.6% gain and is trading near $4,724.70. Let's head into the forecast segment. Coin price forecast forecasts a move to $4,744 by tomorrow. That's roughly 0.4% from the current price. Traders Union anticipates Tether Gold falling to $4,709, a drop estimated at 0.4%. Crypto Predictions points out the chance of reaching $4,701.87 lower, a projected loss of 0.5%. A separate projection by CoinCodex highlights Tether Gold could fall to $4,699.53, an expected decrease of approximately 0.6%, and to end CoinDataFlow projects $4,657.52 by May 8, showing a decline of 1.5%. This is the top yield scenario. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a drop of 1.5% and an increase of 0.4%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, CoinDataFlow stands in first place with 1.5% climb in value by May 8. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $4 and $15 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, coin price forecast tops the list with a 65% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 predictions together, I've built a consensus scenario. The consensus figure points to Tether Gold at approximately $4,702.38. Let's go through it step by step. Consensus view highlights a 0.5% fall in price. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $5 more, which adds up to a probability of about 63.8% for the consensus forecast to hold true. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. Coin price forecast signals no significant movement ahead. Likewise, Traders Union indicates only marginal movement ahead. For this period, meanwhile, Crypto Predictions sees the price staying balanced. Likewise, CoinCodex signals a lack of momentum in the near term. CoinDataFlow expects a bearish continuation. The consensus brings the analyst views together and points to Tether Gold remaining broadly stable over the next 3 days. In conclusion, 80% of the outlooks point to a bearish path for Tether Gold. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $4,686.30. A lone forecast was correct about the trend. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by Coin Price Forecast. Now let's break it all down. None of the forecasts touched the daily candle. Speaking of ROI, the single profitable result was 3.2%. This is the complete summary, all forecasts verified and compared. Traders Union displayed $198.25 accuracy, 54.8% forecast probability, and minus 3.2% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Tether Gold and several others. At 5th place sits Tether Gold, while Zcash currently shows 6.6% potential gain. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison across many assets is already available on my website. And that's the end, friends. If this video was helpful or saved you time, show it with a like. Have a good one.